Thick booty. Mmm. Mmm. You're such a pussy.
I'm stained.
I'm hurt.
Stains.
Okay, what's going on? Today we are modifying Adin's car because he wants to get ready for stage 2. So he's got the KMS, he's got all this induction shit, and now we've got to try and fit the intercooler. The only hardest part about this is this part, because this breaks knuckles and kills me. But yeah, so we want to get the headlights out, all these little pop screws and shit, and just, there is a booklet and it tells you like step by step how to do it, but that's just annoying, so we're just going to go for it. It should be fairly easy. I've done it twice. I always forget every time what bits we do first. So we're going to do it, Adam.
Yay.
Yay.
Can't open it up.
You're special. He's a special one. We help everyone out here. But yeah, first we'll just take out the headlights, and then if I get stuck I'll show you. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so all of these are out, headlights are out. Now these are the bits I hate. So this is where, like, if you see in here, there's 3 on each side. They're very, like, give you bloody knuckles and horrible. So you're best off using a ratchet spanner, I personally find, or if you've got like a drill which you can flex into there, I'd do that. But we're going to use this, and then obviously just before that, I'm going to just take out the arch liner, which don't help because Adin's gone dirt nasty low with very nice fitment, but you can't really get your hand in there. It's just you got to outer lock each way so I can get my hand in there.
Okay.
But apart from that, it'll be fun. And this is what I mean, like, I love instructions where it's just pictures, because picture books are better than ones with just boring words. It's like Of Mice and Men. Shit book, sick film.
Yeah.
So my favourite highlight is when Lenny shoots George. No, George shoots Lenny in the head.
I like it when Lenny kills the rabbit.
Yeah. And the woman just breaks her neck or something,
Yeah,
innit?
yeah.
Yeah. It's my sort of movie.
Yeah, it's quite what's the word?
Entertaining.
No, it's like, you know when
You need to take this off as well, you doofus. It makes your induction kit louder because that's sound deadening.
you just take off your fail your MOT and
No, you don't.
legality.
That does not foul your MIT. A decat fouls your MIT, you
I've
bellend.
got decat.
No, sports cat for life.
Decat's illegal.
Right, yeah. We'll get the arch on and shit, and then do the other things, but it should be. And there's 2 8mm down here. But I'm pretty sure you've got to get the front end of the bumper off. But just before we disconnect them, I'll put a towel down here so it doesn't just scratch everything up on the floor. Because I think of you.
Thank you.
See, I'm good. And I got my new screwdrivers out. I haven't used them yet, but I'm excited. Okay, so we've now got both sides of these undone, all the tie bits done, and then I believe there's just 2 8mm underneath here, so we've just got a towel and these bits to protect it, which go in the box. I think if we lift it, we'll find the 8mm down there somewhere, I believe, 1 each side, and then yeah, it should be off. Is that gonna? I may need to undo them. That won't take a second. I'm not sure if I need to undo that or not, actually. No, I don't. That was just a lot of dirt. Alright, let's get this off and undo these 8s. I found the 8mm. So, they are. If you can pick it up, where's it gone? I just found it. Just down in here. Don't think you can see them, but there's 1 8mm there, and then it'll be the same on the other side. Just undo, see if you can see this side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just there. If that picks up. Yeah, I think it all picks up. So undo them, and then we can pull it off. There was a lot of clips. I got very upset, and they was all stuck underneath, but we got them off. My arms are pretty dirty. They turned up and did nothing. Well, Harry did help.
The bumper.
Thank you. But yeah, alright, now we need to follow the guide things which are everywhere. to how to get the stock intercooler off. I'm pretty sure you get rid of plastics and don't put them back on, and then we put the Big Daddy intercooler on. Yeah. No, it did not work. Okay, so to undo this plastic, undo this, we just put back on. It's just like temporary clipped in with the air temperature sensor. You've got to disconnect.
So what do I need?
You have the crash bar. You put 2 little rubber bunging things on, and the pin slide straight on. And now I've literally got to connect these extensions. Obviously, that's not going to reach there, so it extends out elbows, and then they fit on. And then tighten up and make sure it's not got a boost leak. And I'm pretty sure that's about it for the installation. Got to put all the bumper on together, and I've literally got like plastic bits just everywhere. Like, this was very like, I've got so many bits. It's going to be interesting to see what ones actually go back on. But it is now, what's the time? 8:30 at night, so I need to hurry up. I'm hungry. But they've been very helpful, as you can see.
I actually have. I was trying to help.
No, you was breaking clips.
I was trying to help.
I didn't break no clips.
No, you didn't break no clips. But it is on and looks pretty. So just finish the elbows off and then try and get it back together and get it boosting.
Half stone kilos.
Yeah, no.
I need to be 78 kilos.
Google someone. Google.
That had to be one of the longest installs of my life. It is now like 10:30 on a Thursday. Like, you think I want to look like this on a Thursday night when I still got work tomorrow. But yeah, I am like filthy, but it's on. I did it. It works. I sort of gave up with the camera after that, as you could probably tell. That's why there's like, it's probably not very good footage in this video. I just like died out and just couldn't be able to pick up the camera. I just want to get it done. Especially when you're working in the dark and you're trying to find all your tools on the floor. It's not fun. Especially like, it's on. The stage intercooler's on. It looks sick, but I just want to have a shower and go to bed. That is my goal tonight. And I'm going to edit tonight as well, so I have to do that still. But that was very, very long. But at the same time, I learned a lot, so I can't really complain too much. I just like, I'm looking in the mirror right now, and I'm like, I look like a Chilean miner when they all got stuck in the caves. Yeah. It's a sick intercooler anyway. If you want to pick up one, go over to either to 80 Motorsport or CUK, whatever one you prefer. I think you get my discount code. My discount code both works at both of them places. If you code B70 on my 80 Motorsport or CUK, you get 10% off. And they are great intercooler. I run one myself. I am actually looking to swap it out for an AirTech, but I just want a really nice silver looking intercooler. But after that, I do not want to be fitting one anytime soon. So, I've also got a bit of block notes. Thank you all for watching. I hope you could bear with that. Comment what you think of the intercooler. Sorry that I didn't get much footage of that. That's my bad. Smash a subscribe if you can. Yeah. Good meet, Dave. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next one.